Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Turner. Today, I'm going to teach you a new math game. It's called Double 10 Frames. This game will help you understand the teen numbers, the numbers 11 through 19. Today's lesson goes along with your math bundle, week 6, day 1. Let's start with something you're good at using, a 10 frame. We've used this a lot in kindergarten. Here it is. Take a look at it. Do you remember why it's called a 10 frame? Right, because it has 10 boxes. 5 boxes on the top and 5 boxes on the bottom. 5 plus 5 equals 10. I have some counters. I have 13 counters. There's some little spring decorations. I have 13 of them, and I wonder if I'm able to fill all 13 counters on my 10 frame. What do you think? Let's try. So remember, I've got 10 boxes, and I have 13 counters. I wonder if they're all going to fill my boxes. So far, I'm going to fill up the top, and when I fill up the top, how many will I have? Right, 5. So the top is filled, so I know I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I've got 13 in all. So I wonder if they're going to fill up my boxes. Let's see. I've already filled up the 5 on the top. I'm going to fill up 5 on the bottom. That will be how many? Right, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, I've got 13. So after 10, 11, 12, and 13. You were right. I've got my top filled, but I have left over. So I've got a 10 on the top and 3 left over. That's 13. 1 full 10 frame and 3 more. So now is the time I'm going to teach you the new game called the Double 10 Frame game. I'm going to show you a Double 10 Frame first. Let's take down the 10 frame. What do you think the Double 10 Frame is? Double means 2. So a Double 10 Frame has 2 10 frames. 10 boxes on the top and 10 on the bottom. Do you know how many boxes that is? It's 20, because 10 plus 10 more equals 20. Let's just double check that. So we already know we have 10 because we've worked on 10 frames all year. So after 10, we're going to count on 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So in order to play the Double 10 Frame game, you're going to need your 10 frame from your bundle. You're also going to need your teen number cards. It looks like this. And let's just make sure that we know what these teen numbers are before we start. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. You're going to need also to cut these out, and you're going to put them in maybe a bag, maybe a bowl, or maybe even in a hat. So after you cut out your teen numbers, you're going to put them in something, and you're going to collect some counters. Maybe you're going to have some counters, something fun like this, or perhaps you're going to have some beads or some Legos. You can be creative and find something at your house. So you're going to, again, need your 10 frame, some counters. You're going to cut up your teen number cards and put them in your bowl or hat. So this is how you play the game. First, you're going to take a card. Let's see which one I've got. Pick a card. Ooh, I've got the number 16. And now I'm going to fill up my 10 frame. So we're going to start with the top. You can start with the bottom, you can start wherever you want, and you're going to fill up. Remember, I've got to take 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I didn't really have to count that. I already knew there were 5 on the top. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, my top 10 frame's full. Remember, I pulled out the number 16. I've already put 10 on. 16. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So how do you see the number 16? Look at it. How do you see the number 16? The number 16 is 10 and 6 more. 10 and 6 more. Is that how you saw it? Great. So when you are doing this at home, I would like you to pull your number card, fill up your 10 frame and some more, and then read this and say this. The number, I had 16, the number 16 is 10 and 6 more. So you would just say that. The number 16 is 10 and some more. Then you're going to play it again. You're going to reach into your hat. Might have to shuffle your cards. Pull out a number. This is 11. Then you're going to fill up the top 10 frame. And that will be how many? Right, 10. And then you'll fill up some more. Play this a few times each day this week. In addition to playing this game, you're also going to be working on a number booklet, which is found in your bundle, a counting booklet that looks like this. So on the first page, there's a place for your name. There's a cookie jar with a teen number. This is 11, even though it doesn't say 11 teen. It is a teen number. It comes after 10, and it's between 10 and 20. And you're going to fill up your 10 frame and some more. So what do you think for the 11? You're going to fill up the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And how many more? Right, one more. So 11 is 10. The number 11 is 10 and one more. On the next day, you will do some more in your booklet until by Friday, you will have every page filled out and you'll be playing the 10 frame game some more also. So have fun. I sure wish we were doing this at school. I would love to be playing this game with you. Again, have fun doing this. Please don't forget to save your work in your portfolio or in a notebook. Bye.